Okay, so Yuval, what do you think so far? How's your experience going with F16 Media?
Amazing. I was working with, I told you this, I was working with many people before you. I was doing a lot of mistakes and I was paying a lot of money for nothing, for zero results. And we just made at least 6 times more than what we invest inside of Facebook. And this is amazing. You did a good job. You did. Muhammad, you are the best. For real.
And what do you think about like our customer service and the way we speak and the way we work with you?
You guys are amazing. You 24/7. I can send you messages and you answer everything and all my questions. And I know that I have some. I'm more like a perfectionist, so I need like more answer. And you give me everything. Like you're the best. Like for real, you did an amazing job right now. It's only the first month, but I believe that we're gonna go for a long time together.
So when you started with us, you told us that you were working with people and you thought that this system doesn't work. And we are working for you for ads and lead gen and everything. So do you think this is a good system for your business to scale it to the moon?
Of course. You remember we saw the result after 1 hour, maybe 30 minutes after I got my first lead. So this is an amazing system. You have like the best. You're doing something good.
Thank you.
You know, like you have something good in your hands.
So what would you recommend to air duct cleaners and carpet cleaners out there who are still thinking to try? What do you recommend them?
Give it a try. Give it a shot. Like, I guess, like, you are the best. Like, I want to say this, you know, if I have friends in this kind of job, you know, in different countries, things like that, I will give them your number for sure. I will definitely recommend to go with Muhammad and F16 Media to get everything done because you're the best. You did amazing jobs. But if someone from Atlanta, I'm not gonna tell it because they two successful companies not gonna lead to a good way.
So you recommend us to all companies out there to try our services? You're happy?
Yes, everyone, definitely 100% one of my best my best shoes,
like your best experience for this.
Yes, my best experience from forever. I guess like I had like 2 different company in 2 different like three different states that I tried to open and run some ads on Facebook, and both of them was closed because unexperienced and unprofessional jobs. And with you guys, after less than 30 minutes, I got my first lead, which is crazy, which is definitely one of the just something that we didn't talk about.
All right, perfect.
I didn't imagine this is good.
Perfect.